So the intermediate level, the only difference is I did not give you a bunch of notes, names, that's all. You can figure out for yourself, do the work, and you will read more better, right? Because there are big jumps. So you print this out and you try to figure out some of these notes, but you don't write every single note out. The pattern that are repeated are still with curvy line. Now this curvy line here at the end of line 1, of course, it's a tie, but I'm not helping you by Xing out the tied notes anymore. You kind of have to remember what a tie does. Okay? And so that's the difference, is that you don't see all the help that you had. And most of the time the counting is not there either. So you kind of have to figure out your melody. But it's exactly the same melody, exactly the same fingering. And also it's almost exactly the same chord. So in this case, when it's broken, I find that it's much better when you actually have a root position in the left hand. And an A minor root position, and F also root position. And of course, it will depend on the instrument you choose. But right now, I'm not going to try to fickle with my keyboard. And so, for intermediate level, I would suggest practicing only your left hand first. The way it's written: A minor root position, F root position, and C again. Now F with inversion, and C. The B diminished, the E7. So of course you won't be able to do this if you can't easily find your E7 and an A minor and a B minor, right? So still practice your block chords first. Let me try to do it now by humming the right hand. A minor, F major, C major, F inversion, B diminish, the E7, A minor, the same C7 we've been practicing, the same F inversion, the same F minor, A minor, B major, and a an E minor in inversion, and and so sometimes I have to simplify, and basically at the end of ending number 1, I only did the G7, not really a D minor. So when you do arrangements for your left hand to be broken or something like that, you sometimes have to change a little bit inversions, or maybe skip out a chord, or there are many different ways. So just try to follow the notes that I've written for you. And then of course we're going back to the beginning. C major, A minor root position, F major, C, F in inversion, C major, B diminished, E7, A minor. Then you skip all the way to the end of that line, ending number 2, C7, da da, third line, F major, F minor, da da, C major, inversion, the repeated bars, da 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 da, F again, do 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 do. A minor, And then the last two bars is. I decided to just keep the pinky there because I have a sound that is sustaining, so it kind of sounds better if I just keep my pinky. But that is a difficult technique to play together, so just lift your hand and use your pedal instead, right? Okay, so that's left hand alone for the intermediate. And of course I would recommend you practice two hands together in small